What is up, YouTubers? It's Too Slow. Today I am going to Cars and Coffee. This is the first Cars and Coffee I've ever been to. I don't usually like going to these local meets like that, like small meets, but I don't know. I don't think this one's gonna be small. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, as I said, I don't like going to car meets no more. I only like going to the big organized one, or if it's a NorCal Celica meet. But today I will be washing the Corolla because a YouTuber messaged me saying to go to the Cars and Coffee to go see his Corolla, I guess. And so I'm gonna be taking my Corolla today and see what happens. Gotta wash the Corolla though because it's really dirty. And then I haven't really driven it that much. I've been dailing the Celica more often, if you guys haven't seen my Instagram. But let's go ahead and do that. And we're ready to go. Gonna go open my business right now. I don't think some of you know what I do for a living, but I will take you guys to my business and you'll get a general idea of what is it that I do. And some of you know what I do, some of you don't, so if this is your first time, yeah. So that's my business, people. This is what I do Saturdays and Sundays. It's not much, but it's just a little thing I have on the side. Gets bills paid and whatnot, so I'm keeping it. Yeah, if you guys ever want to come visit me or just talk for a bit or just take some quick photos right here in the parking lot, I've done it before with other YouTubers and other subscribers. So yeah, just come visit me. It's 8:36 right now, so I'll probably arrive around 9, as I said. And let's see how the turnout is. This place, never been to one. You know, I'm down to go to new places, but as I said, I don't like visiting I don't like going to car meets. Like, I used to do that a lot religiously back when I had my old Corollas. I used to do that a lot, and I don't know, I don't want to say I grew out of it, because I do go every now and then, but I don't know. Parked right here, 30-minute big dollars customer parking. Whoops. Hopefully I don't get towed. Let's see what happens. Looks like everyone is parking here. Let's go check out this event. Yeah, I'm already in 11th and J. Oh, do you see a tall guy with a red sweater? don't see you. Do you see me?
Put him in the garage. Came back, tried to put him back on.
Corner where it says coffee and tea. Where the hell are you at? Okay, I'm in front of a gray Camaro.
I'm literally right at the back. You need the black.
Just kidding.
Whoa, buddy. Oh my god.
This dude did not want to buy
Dude, I
tires.
like these.
He didn't want to buy 2 tires for 50 bucks because he said it was too expensive.
Oh my god.
At my job. Oh, are these?
Yeah, these are nice, dude. I love these.
They're in charge. Seats.
When I'm rich and I got money, I'm buying one.
Once you're very YouTube famous.
Ha! YouTube famous.
No, you already are.
600. Nah. You know he's making YouTube videos.
Oh, no.
Train horn?
Yeah, it's a Dodge. It's a 300. It's bagged. It's like a wide body 300. Like the first gen one. He has LEDs in his rim.
No.
Yeah. It's pretty cool though, honestly.
What happened?
These niggas are looking at his friend's car. It's just an SOT.
I mean, I guess.
He said, step up your YouTube game, bro.
Step up my YouTube game. I think I'll step it up. I'll step it up once I get 1,000.
Hey, the guy was all like, dude, like rev it up a little. All I see him go like, I was like, oh fuck.
So look, a
He said it's only good.
damn, that beige looks hella nice. The beige color. It's not white, it's beige. Cream? Beige, same shit.
Yeah, you know, it's like a cream color, yeah.
It's clean.
Yeah, the AMG's fucking cool. I love these cars. Yeah. Hey.
In the back.
Fuck a filter. Fuck the filter. What in tarnation.
It's hard to find 8-tracks now when you go to the store. It's hard to find music.
Even then.
I just have, those
Yeah.
just
Man, they don't give a shit about the fucking revving. They keep doing it. thought that stuff like faded away, man. Mira, todavía deben sus carros y los andan trayendo a presumir.
It's a car club with girls.
Girls.
What I
Esa sí. That one, yeah.
girl club.
It's all over. Just go like that. Tell him. Come on. Tell him. Looks nice. Give a shout out! Give a shout out! What's up? Oh man! Shit's clean, Sean! Come on, just get in front of me. Come on, come on. Dude. Come on! Oh shit! Come on! Come on! Go, pues!
Rev it!
Rev it!
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Oh, what the hell?
Mine's just as loud as that shit.
Step it! Step it! What's up?
And I wasn't recording.
Alright then guys, see you around.
Do you have the cooler intake?
Yeah, it's. I only have the engine intake, the TRD muffler. It's all stock. It's all stock. I don't want to do nothing of the looks. I'm gonna keep it bone stock. 'Cause I don't know if you follow my videos, but I bought another Corolla that I'm gonna end up turboing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a turbo kit for it.
Better than your
So that's gonna be fun. Woo! Looks nice though.
Were you there for a long time?
Where? No, I was only there for like maybe 30 minutes. I came very late because I had to go take care of some things. And my friends, they just dipped, so I was like, all right, whatever, I'll just dip. And I saw you.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
That's cool. So you got the, what, ECU on it? The ECU refresh?
Yeah, I had the cooler intake, the throttle body ported,
Dude, is that a turbo?
the intake manifold ported, the exhaust manifold ported, I have the scoop tune, I have a exhaust downpipe.
Lotus. Jesus.
It's hella slow though.
How slow?
Hella
Slow.
slow.
Would you be able to beat me? You can?
I was keeping up with STI yesterday.
When I get my car fixed. My clutch is all fucked up right now. Are these all your guys' cars? All
Oh, this is mine.
That's
Smart.
his.
And then
His
this
is
is
out.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, 2T?
What knob is that off of?
Robin?
The knob, what is it off of?
Oh, no, I got it on eBay, $10. It's just TRG.
Link it to me, please.
Huh?
Link it to me.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
send it to my Instagram. Because I kind of want
I
that.
don't even know if they still sell them. A lot of the stuff that I got, I went to go look for it again, and like none of it's on there no more.
Because my shift knob, the chrome is already peeling.
Yeah, I had one of those. I didn't like it. I got the short shifter too, from the.
Is that like does it do anything? Like, do you feel any difference on it? Like,
Feel it.